viewers, good day. Welcome to Aura. This channel has been created for the sole purpose to spread knowledge. It will be very useful for the school students, college students who deal with life sciences. I assure that this session will be very interesting and all the subsequent sessions will be very interesting, easy to grasp and easy to learn. As you all know, the cell is a structural and functional unit of the living body. The cell contains many organelles like the endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, ribosomes, and various other organelles. Now, in this session, we'll talk about mitochondria. So, what is mitochondria? The mitochondria is a membrane bound organelle. So what is the membrane bound organelle? See, this is the mitochondria. It has an inner membrane, it has an outer membrane. So it is a double membrane bounded organelle present inside the cell. So why this mitochondria is very important in a cell? Because this mitochondria provides energy to the cell by means of adenosine triphosphate. Okay, so now how does this name mitochondria come from? It is derived from the Greek word mito, means thread, and chondria means granule-like, hence the name mitochondria. So it is, mito means thread and chondria is granule-like. Okay, hence the name mitochondria. It was found in the year 1890 by Richard Altman. He termed it as bioblast, and Bender was the one in 1897 gave the term as mitochondria. Now let's come to the importance of mitochondria. I told you already that this mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell. How? When you eat food, this food gets oxidized to carbohydrate, protein, fat. It gives energy. Now this energy in the mitochondria is converted by many enzymes present in the mitochondria to a chemical energy known as adenosine triphosphate. This adenosine triphosphate is known as the energy currency of the cell. So the term powerhouse of the cell. Since mitochondria provides the biological energy required by the cell, it is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Okay, this energy is provided in the form of adenosine triphosphate. Now let us come to the shape and then the size. Now the shape, when it is found under the electron microscope, it can be ellipsoidal, spherical, or it can be rod shaped. Now the size, it varies between 0.5 to 5 micron in length, 0.1 to 0.6 microns in width. Where it is found? So this mitochondria, it is found in areas where more energy is needed. So normally more energy is needed in the muscle cells, cardiac cells, right? So this is found in all those. In addition to that, it is found in the sperm tail, liver cell, microvilli of the intestine, oocyte, and it is not found in the erythrocyte. Okay, erythrocyte is the only cell where mitochondria is not present. Now let's come to the structure of the mitochondria. Now it has an outer membrane. This membrane is very smooth, right? Now the structure and the composition of this is similar to the plasma membrane. So what is a plasma membrane? Plasma membrane is the membrane covering the cell. It is also known as the cell membrane. So this cell membrane, it contains, the structure will be like a sandwich lipid layer. Like when it is observed under an electron microscope, you can see it as a central electrolucent layer that is known as the lipid layer, that is surrounded by proteins they look electrodense. Okay, the layer is very electrodense. So the proteins is surrounding the lipid layer. What is the composition? Composition will be protein 55%, lipids 40%, and the carbohydrate. And then it also contains one of the special proteins that is called as sporins. So it allows certain certain chemicals to pass through from the cytoplasm. Okay, sporins. These are all proteins present in the outer membrane. Then you have the inner membrane. So when you come to the inner membrane, you can see very clearly this inner membrane is folded into finger-like projections. This finger-like projection is called as cristae. Why it is folded? When it is folded, it increases the surface area of the mitochondria. So when the surface area increases, more space is created. When more space is created, many chemical reactions takes place inside the mitochondria. Fine. So this inner membrane is folded, more space is created, and it is selectively permeable.